The Commonwealth Medical Association (CMA) has decried the rising incidence of cancer in the Commonwealth of Nations, with a clarion call on government to integrate cancer prevention and treatment services within their frameworks for universal health coverage. This call was made in a widely circulated broadcast by the President of the Commonwealth Medical Association, Dr. Osahon Enabulele, as part of CMA's activities to mark the 2021 World Cancer Day. Dr. Osahon Enabulele stated that cancer remains a leading cause of morbidity and mortality globally, with about 12 persons dying every minute in low and middle income countries of the world. Jimoh Ogrema reports that he identifies cervical cancer as a major challenge in the Commonwealth. The CMA president disclosed that the Commonwealth of Nations accounts for about 40% share of the global cervical cancer incidence burden, and for 3% of the global cervical cancer mortality, and with 85% of deaths from cervical cancer occurring in the LMIC countries. He further stated that nearly 500,000 women in the Commonwealth of Nations were living with cervical cancer, with one woman dying from cervical cancer every 5 minutes. He therefore called for accelerated attention and action to stem the rising tide of cervical cancer and other forms of cancers, particularly in LMIC countries. Speaking further, Dr. Osahon Enabulele averred that the rising incidence and huge burden of cervical cancer was a reflection of social injustice and numerous other factors, including poverty and inequities in access to quality cancer care. While calling for more altruistic action on the social determinants of health, the CMA president called for more intense advocacy and public enlightenment on the disease. He particularly urged women of reproductive age group in the Commonwealth of Nations to adopt appropriate health-seeking behaviors and healthy lifestyle practices. He also encouraged them to undergo regular health screening and to present early for treatment at the precancerous stages. He charged them to get vaccinated against cervical cancer. The CMA president fervently called on the various governments in the Commonwealth to act more decisively to flatten the cervical cancer curve and to integrate cancer prevention and treatment services within their country frameworks for universal health coverage and national health insurance schemes in ways that would create opportunities for improved access and quality health care and cancer services, including cancer preventive, curative, and rehabilitative services.
Global efforts are combating the scourge of cervical cancer. The incidence is still rising in the Commonwealth, with huge social, economic, and health implications. Therefore, the time to act more decisively to flatten the cervical cancer curve is now. I therefore want to urge women in the Commonwealth, particularly women of the reproductive age group, to adopt healthy lifestyle practices, undertake regular health screening, take vaccination to prevent cervical cancer, and to seek early treatment for precancerous lesions. I also want to urge leaders of all Commonwealth countries to act more decisively in support of cancer prevention and to integrate cancer prevention schemes within their frameworks for universal health coverage. I am proud to take the Commonwealth Can Stop Cervical Cancer pledge. Protect yourself today by taking a vaccine to prevent cervical cancer.